So as you can see, the rain barrel is working. We just had some hail and rain, and it came down hard. So it's still filling up, full to the top. And this thing's still leaking out water pretty hard. So the rosemary's nice and watered. It's looking gorgeous and green. Has no more yellow spots. So, and here's a quick garden update. We got dill and cleomes and zinnias and chard and peas and beets all in there. And I picked out some big radishes today, but those are in the house. So when the hot tub's going, it was nice last night. I went in there at 4 in the morning. Had a nice soak. It was 104. So quite a lot of hail came down just a second ago. The water was even coming through the window. I had to wipe this off and shut the windows because it was coming in at an angle right in there. See, the steps are wet.